So for this granny square, I'm going to be using a 4.5 millimeter hook and cotton yarn. So to begin the granny square, I'm going to leave a little bit of a tail. I do that to tuck it in later. I'm going to make my slip knot. I'm going to chain 4. And slip stitch to the first stitch to form a circle. And then I'm going to chain 3. And then in the center of this circle, I'm going to do 2 double crochets. I'm going to chain 1, work 3 more double crochets in that center, chain 1, 3 more double crochets in the center, chain 1, and last, with 3 more double crochets in the center. So you'll have 1 set here, 1 set here, 1 set here. You're going to work the 4th set here. Chain 1. If you want, you could try to pull your tail tight. And then you want to slip stitch into the top of your chain 3. I'm going to drop my tail behind and not work over it anymore. Slip stitch, and now you have 1 corner here, 1 corner here, 1 corner here, and your 4th corner there. Now you're going to chain 3, and in this space, this corner space right here, you're going to work 2 double crochets in that space. I'm not going to chain, but you could chain 1. I'm not going to. I'm just going to go into the next corner, which is here, this chain 1 space. I'm going to work 3 double crochets. Chain 1, 3 more double crochets. I'm going to go to the next chain 1 space in this corner and work 3 double crochets. Chain 1, 3 more double crochets, all in that same chain 1 space. If I'm going too fast, please pause the video. Next, we're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. There's 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Now back to where I started, where I put just 3 double crochets. I'm going to go ahead and put 3 more into the same space. And 1 more. Chain 1, and then slip stitch to the top of your chain 3. Okay, now you got your first part of your granny square. Now you're going to repeat that. You want to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then put 2 double crochets in this chain space here. And then in this space here, you're going to work 3 double crochets. Now to your corner space, you're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. So basically, all you're going to be doing is in your corner stitches. So here's a corner, here's a corner, here's a corner. You're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. In your end or your side stitches, in these spaces here, here, and here, you're just going to work 3 double crochets. So we're going to do 3 double crochets in this chain 1 space. Chain 1, 3 double crochets. Three double crochets in this stitch. Three double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets in that chain stitch. Or chain space. Again, the side space, we're going to do 3 double crochets. The corner, 3 double crochets in the chain space. Chain 1, 3 double crochets. Three double crochets in the side space. And in this corner, you're going to do 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and slip stitch to the first top of the chain 3 to join. And then you're basically just going to be repeating that all the way around until it's as big as you want it. You're going to chain 3, you'll put 3 double crochets in this space. You're going to do 3 double crochets in here, 3 double crochets in here, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, and repeat that around. So every corner always gets the 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, and all the end stitches only gets 3 double crochets.